Hello, sir.
Hello.
First of all, it's really good to have you here at Boiler India Expo 2024. We are always looking to have exhibitors like you and, add stars to this show. Now, I'd like to understand whether this is your first time exhibiting or have you been in the previous editions of Boiler with us?
Hi, I am Nitesh Kantrod. I am the director of the company Privilege Bixen Boilers, and this is our third time.
Right.
Yeah, Privilege Bixens is participating third time,
Hmm.
and it's a good journey. Boiler India is a good platform for us. We started from boilers. Now we entered into EPCs. We are slowly upgrading our capacities. We started from 30, 40 TPH boilers.
Right.
Now this year we have just bagged an order of 150 TPH, 27 megawatt for a Karnataka project which is coming up for a sugar mill.
Correct.
We are doing a lot of ethanol plants. We are doing a lot of WHRBs now. We are diversifying slowly.
Wow. So, what do you think it is that makes you keep coming back to Boiler every year and in every edition?
See, Boiler in India is a vibrant platform. It is like a very good platform for the footprint is good. You get good resources here. Boiler is like it's a 65% bought out.
Correct.
So it's not a one team or one industry can handle it. So all the teams, all electricals, instrumentations, now boiler is 100% automized. So lot of resources are used in boilers. Everything goes hand in hand. Otherwise, it is difficult, and the timelines have come down. The expectation of the clients have come down. The directorate is doing a very good job in Maharashtra. They are taking up all your mm, all your systems, all approvals on a online platform they have taken up. So it's a good this thing, and Boiler India is now it's a close to heart for all exhibitors, I must
Right,
say.
of course.
Everyone is like a small manufacturer to your big EPCs.
Correct.
Everyone is here. Thermax is here.
Correct.
It is going on enhancing. Every coming
year,
year,
every
it's
edition.
going on. Every edition is enhanced.
It feels really good to hear such words from you. It only gives us more encouragement to keep doing better and better every year. Now, I
All
would
the
like
best.
to, understand a little more from you. What is it exactly that Privilege Bixen is exhibiting this time around? And what advancements have you done from the previous editions that you were here? And what do you want? What is your objective this time being in Boiler India?
See, we want to showcase basically what strengths we have developed over the years. How was the journey? The slowly we have got in lot of European manufacturing lines that
right.
we wanted to showcase.
Right.
Here you have a guest from invited by us from Spain.
Oh, right.
He was here in the morning.
I see.
So those guys are looking at India. India is growing. China plus one policies come in.
Correct.
So we are having very good opportunities. Keep our products well close to the American market, German brands. Boilers were first developed by Germans. So they are means quality wise they are very high level quality they deliver. So they are also looking at Indian partners who can manufacture good boilers. Forbes Venka is here. The Belgium company is here.
Correct.
So all the big manufacturers are here. You have good power producers. The efficiencies of the boilers are going high. All that has come in place now, and it's a very good platform in India. And this is national level platform.
Correct. Yes.
So now it's going international. So I should congratulate Boiler India team and directorate who has taken up such a good initiative. Everyone is here to showcase good products. Even you say, if you say not only mechanical industry is benefited, electrical industry is also benefited from this.
Right. Moving on, I would like to get into a little more technical questions. So, what measures are taken by privilege Bixen boilers to reduce emissions and to, ensure environmental compliances across its product range?
See, regarding emissions, we are going towards greener planet. So obviously the emissions are norms are very stringent. It's going. It was earlier 150 mg. It has gone down to 100. Now it has gone down to 50 mg. In biomass, somehow now in India we have been able to achieve 30 mgs with a biomass boiler, and it is ESP is the main this thing equipment wherein you can reduce the emissions, or the flue gas is passed through ESP, electrostatic precipitator, wherein you have a very fine dust and everything is collected, and then we are able to achieve 50 mgs
Correct.
through ESP, and maybe it will go further down to 30 also we can achieve.
Wow. Now, what role does automation and remote monitoring play in maintenance and operation of privileged Bixen's boiler systems?
Our boiler systems are fully automized with DCS. It is basically a system wherein all the boilers are operated from one central room. It is the systems developed by ABB, your Honeywell, and your Siemens. All these big brands are here in India to support boiler manufacturers. A lot of instrumentation we take care. Our drawings with P and IDs, it is in the initial level itself, it goes to the client what needs to be automized, how the steam needs to be uh, controlled, all temperatures needs to be controlled, everything is controlled through the PLC or DCS system.
So, all of this, does it happen remotely?
It happens remotely from your control room. You can manage.
Wow.
And it is all the field instruments are placed on the field, and it comes into the signal comes to the room, and from the room you can, it is the display screen sorry, wherein instrumentation engineers they operate the boilers.
I see. Now, how does privileged Bixen boilers address the challenges associated with maintaining boiler performance over long operation lifespans, like particularly in corrosive environments?
In corrosive environments, obviously there are special materials used, special steels used, wherein you can get more life, the temperature can be controlled, whatever atmospheric moisture is there, all that the boiler is actually designed that way. Indoor boilers come, outdoor boilers are there. There are a lot of installations which are indoor and outdoor installations, and the insulations needs to be taken care. There are high end insulations available wherein the steel is not directly exposed to the exterior wise.
Correct.
And corrosive atmosphere near the sea also you have lot of boilers now.
Boilers, yeah.
And good quality boilers,
Correct.
high end boilers, so that can be controlled very easily.
Right. I see. So, I'd like to understand a little bit about, the types of boilers that privileged Bixen manufactures and what their manufacturing capabilities are.
We started with biomass traveling grade boiler, which was from 20 ton to 100 TPH. So now slowly we expanded it to 200 TPH.
Right.
So as of now we are executing one 150 TPH boiler which I earlier mentioned for a Karnataka project.
Correct.
So we have around 40 to 45 EPC installations. We undertake boiler with turbine, the whole package, the boiler island we do. And in other than traveling grade, now we have developed AFBC. Now slowly we are moving to WHRB, which is used in steel.
Right.
This in ethanol we have done lot of boilers. In ethanol industry, we have been able to deliver around 200 megawatt of
Correct.
boiler line with turbine. So in all totality, because it's a small power plant comes in ethanol.
Hmm.
But last 5 years, we have executed 40 plants in ethanol industry.
Right.
Now slowly we are moving to atmospheric fluidized bed technology, AFBC, which all big players are.
Correct.
In incineration, we have a very good arrangement with Thermax.
Hmm.
So wherein the incinerator, only the core combustion and the pressure parts is supplied by Thermax.
Right.
And we have come together for the industry. It is benefiting the industry economically, cost wise, delivery wise. If anybody wants to execute very fast, so they come to us.
Right.
And Privilege Bixen has a very good manufacturing setup. It's a world class facility. We have a European panel manufacturing line from Finland, which
Correct.
reduces the timeline of the product. Boilers are built very fast. The welding quality is high end. The welding source is from Lincoln, which is from US.
Hmm.
So that all machineries we have incorporated, and we have now come to this position that we can complete power plant can be supplied, installed, and commissioned within 12 months,
Oh wow.
which was earlier somewhere around 20 months. People brought it down to 18 months. Now, Privilege Bixens has achieved a timeline of 12 months, and we have a list of uh, satisfied clients.
Right. So it seems that all of that fruition of collaborating with so many named and famed age and other competitors has garnered like great fruits to you.
For
So
sure.
what I'd like to understand more about is what do you think the biggest strengths of Privilege Bixens are?
Biggest strength of Privilege Bixen, as I told you, the manufacturing facility, the resources, the team. We have a team of around 400 people, good engineers,
Right.
very well qualified instrumentation electrical team. In house, everything is developed. We are very close to Pune airport
Right.
in Viman Nagar. So we operate from there. Our HO is there, and we are in an engineering hub. Pune is the engineering hub.
Correct.
So we are having very good uh, vendors there. We have around 30 vendors which are back to backs. Those guys are supporting us. Our manufacturing plant is high end. It is giving us fast deliveries. They are producing the boilers at a fast pace. Just we are, it will be sooner India will be close to Chinese boiler manufacturing.
Right.
So China is far ahead in boiler industry, but we are also not way
Far
beyond.
behind.
Yeah, way
Right.
behind. We are not way behind.
Right.
We are close to them.
That's really
We are
good to
going
hear.
close.
That's good to hear from someone like you and the industrial professionals around here. How would you like to, describe in a short while what it is that Privilege Bixen stands for or what its core values are?
See, core values are safety. Safety is first in this industry for Privilege. All the safety measures are taken care in manufacturing. You have lot of processes. Your after your manufacturing in pressure parts, stress relieving goes in. Radiography test, we are taking it very seriously. All the safeties are in place. Safety measures are taken care.
Correct, correct.
Then after the delivery, the commitment is safe operations of boilers. Even if you, because as you know, it's water quality needs to be maintained by the client
Correct.
end user.
Yes.
Water is just like blood for
Yes.
boiler.
Boilers.
For boilers, it's blood.
Hmm.
So water should be very, you have softeners, you have lot of advancement in boiler water's technology now. So water safe and your basically water quality should be maintained.
Hmm.
That is the core this thing. So we guide people, we guide clients for safe operations, O&Ms, operation team.
Correct.
We are coming up very soon for operation and maintenance training of boilers.
Right. I see.
So there are teams available who can guide, who can help industry. So industry is growing. efficiency is growing, boilers efficiency. Our boilers are very efficient, highly efficient boilers. Privilege is delivering nowadays. So we are ready to take on the challenge for next level efficiencies.
Right. Wow. Thank you so much, sir. It was really good to hear all these insights from you, especially all the initiatives that you have taken to, expand and get into greater markets, not just in India, but also outside, and the initiatives that you're taking to ensure that the boiler and steam industry is in safe hands. Thank you. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much for your time. We hope to see you again soon in Boiler World South Africa again.
Yeah, we are going global.
Right.
Now we are going to Southeast Asia.
Yeah.
In Thailand, we are coming up with the office
Correct.
and branch office.
Right.
Then we are already, our presence is in African nations. In Latin America, we are doing some business.
Right.
So for sure, we'll see you all wherever boiler expo is there. Will be with you
Sure. Sure.
for
No
sure.
worries. Thank you so much.
Nice-
Thank you so
nice-
much for
thank
your time.
you
It
for
was
your
good
time.
talking to you.